Hello, this is Corey, and in today's core concept video, we will be looking at merging PDF files. Sometimes in the line of work where you're an engineer, you'll be dealing with a lot of needs to move files, rename files, compare them, both on remote machines and local systems that you might be working on. And there's been a time or two where I've needed to take PDF files that are in like a part one and part two and then merge them together. And today I'm just going to show off one of those commandlets in the module that I use to get that done. I have these two example PDFs. If you see here, I've got character sheet part one and part two. Let's go ahead and open those. And of course, these are D&D character sheets. Uh, you don't have to be into D&D to use this. This is just an example here. And then the first sheet, you can see I've got all these various features of the character as I scroll to the bottom. And on the second one is kind of like a list of like spells for the character. And you can see here that both of these are just small documents, and the idea for this test is that I want to take both of these and merge them into a single PDF file. One of the ways that you can do this is by using this module called PS Write PDF. When I was writing this out, I had forgotten the name of the module. We talked a little bit about modules last week. And one of the commands you can use to kind of look at the PS gallery, which is a Microsoft repository for various modules, is you can use this find module commandlet and then the name parameter, and then you've got a wildcard character followed by PDF and another wildcard character. If I run this, you can see it returns 7 results here, all from the PS gallery repository. And in my other script, I actually had the name of the commandlet I was using, which is merge PDF. So that'll allow me to show another way you could do a search. You can do find command, and then I did merge PDF, which I knew was the commandlet name that I was using before. If you run that, you see that that commandlet is actually a part of 2 of these modules. And when I saw PS Write PDF, it jogged my memory. I knew that that was the module that I had utilized in a previous script. At that point, if you want to use this at home, you can just run line 6 here that I have on the screen. Just do install module PS Write PDF. And now if I do a get module, you'll see that that's now loaded in my current session. So I've got these two module types of script, one called PS Write PDF, and then the other is PS Write PDF.libraries. So let's go ahead and utilize this functionality. The commandlet I'll be utilizing that's a part of this PS Write PDF module is called merge PDF. And we're just going to be using 2 parameters in that commandlet. We're going to use the input file, and that's where you would basically supply it with your first PDF and then a comma, and then supply it with your second PDF. And the other commandlet parameter is that we're going to use is called output file. That's where you would give it a output file location, and that will be where it will create and place the now newly merged PDF. So let's go ahead and supply it with the parameters here. It's going to be in these 3 variables, and we could have highlighted all of this, but I'm just kind of segregating the differences here. So first we're going to assign these parameters. Go ahead and run line 13. This should merge these 2. And sure enough, on the right here, you see a new file's created here in this location called merged sheet. Let's go ahead and open that. And you can see that first character sheet here is at the top. And if I keep scrolling, now we see that second character sheet is a part of the other sheet here in just one single merged PDF file. So that achieved our goal. that's all I have for this video. If you have any questions or comments, uh, hopefully we can interact in the comment section below. And until I see you next time, have a good one. Bye-bye.